I can't believe that I've never made a video on this, considering that I've made the most niche videos you can imagine, like with regards to the promotional pop-up. So I'm like, oh, how can you display it on mobile only? How can you, it's like, I've done really weird ones. Anyway, I've never done a, that I could see anyway, I've never done a promotional pop-up deep dive where I show you how to do everything, where it all is, like how you can customize it. So what I'm going to do with this video is head on over to the promotional pop-up area and walk you through step by step everything that you need to do to get it live. What we need to do is go into marketing, then we're going to go into marketing tools, and we're going to create a promotional pop-up here. And then you can see I already have some form of pop-up. It's not the best mock-up I've ever seen, and I had some help doing this, so don't judge me on the design. Anyway, if you want it to be on, then you keep it toggled on. If you want it to be off, you toggle it off. Now, in terms of changing the layout, action, and content, I believe this is going to take you to another screen. So let's just cancel that for now. It's going to say take you to another screen. Let's say I had toggled this off. It would give me this option to like stay or leave. So stay, toggle that back on, and then I'll leave. So then we can just click around and change the setup. You can see it gives different options like so. It will show you what it looks like. I mean, that looks looks awful. But if I stick with this, you can see this is probably like the best one to go with. So you choose what it looks like, then you choose the action. So do you want someone to sign up for a newsletter? Nice and easy. You can change what it says in here. You can change what it says in here. You can change the privacy policy. You can also change the storage options. So do you want it to go into Squarespace? What's the word? Squarespace email campaigns. You just click connect and it'll connect. Or do you want it to go to like MailChimp or another provider? So you do that. Verification, you can turn on reCAPTCHA, and then post submit. Do you want to send them somewhere? Or do you want to just give them a message? For now, I'm going to have click button. You can have 2 buttons, so blah, 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 blah. And then you can have the link in there as well. So you can do / or usually you can do / and link to an internal page. Maybe you can't do it here. Let's see. There we go. / in here. And then you can put that in there. Obviously, I'm not going to save that, but we go back. Then we've got the content. So that's going to be just the title and the body copy. So headline and body copy. I'll show you the headline text here. Looks a bit skew with. There we go. Actually looks better, but there must be a reason why I did what I did. I'm going to leave that for now, even though it looks better. Let's go back, and then I think the reason is because I targeted the font. Maybe the font's meant to be different. Anyway, I digress. So display and timing, and you want to display the pop-up, so you can say only on certain pages. So for me, it's going to be only on one page, and that is the blog. So it pops up on the blog. You can then show it on a timer. So, how many seconds until it pops up. For me, it's just after 5 seconds. You can do on scroll, so that would be a percentage of the page scroll down. You can also do both, so the person has to have been after 5 seconds and they have to have scrolled 25% down. I find that quite ineffective. I would just leave it 5 seconds. And then frequency, so how often does the pop-up show to the visitor after they've first seen it and then closed it down. I'm a rascal, so I just have it every day, basically. So you save your progress there. And we've got image, which will be this. I'm sure I'll get a better mock-up at some point, but this is doing the trick for now. So you can stick your image in there. You can do, I believe, multiple. So if I wanted to just put, this is a random screenshot of Not Six Figure Design Club, of by Crawford. Let's see what this does, because I'm not sure. Let's wait. Maybe it's going to go in a loop. There we go. Okay, yeah, so that plays in automatic loop. Quite cool, to be fair. Even I didn't know that was a thing. The things you discover. Then style. So that's going to be your fonts, it's going to be your colors, basically what the buttons and the text and the alignment look like. So you can fiddle around with that to your heart's content. And then if we just go, where's display? I think I missed it in display. Yeah. So you can have it disabled on mobile. So the pop-up this pop-up would only come up on desktop. The reason they have this is because a pop-up on mobile can it can look messy. So you can basically toggle that if you want to show it. But I have that off. So that, I believe, is a nice quick walkthrough of Squarespace's promotional pop-up plugin. Is that an alliteration? It was definitely a tongue twister. Anyway, hopefully you found it useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.